Whenever I get started for the day, I like to just go through my appointments. I did it the night before, but I want to go through them again that morning just to be sure that I'm aware and ready for whatever people are going to need. Then once I go through everything and I'm ready for my day, I jump in the car, take off, go out, gotta get my coffee. But I jump out, get out there and go see customers. I'm always early. I call a half hour ahead of time to let my customers know that I'm going to be there. I'm on my way. And I usually show up about 5 to 10 minutes early on every appointment. I don't like to be late, so I'm there early on every appointment. Then I go in and do an inspection. First of all, we do a visual inspection, but I explain to the customer, I explain to you exactly what we're going to do. So you'll know, there's no guessing in it. We go through and we take a look. I will take a look at visual inspection of the property. Any damages on the inside, any damages on the outside, and we look for patterns. So we try to find a pattern of what's going on to give us an idea of what the situation is, if there is one, what the problem is if there is one, and what we can do to fix it. And then I send out a proposal to all my customers that day. If it's not that day, it's the next day at the latest. I'm getting a little bit older, so I forget things, so I have to do it right away, so I don't forget to do it. So I send it out right away to you. But I've been in construction. I've been directly related in the foundation industry for about 6, but I've actually been doing this type of situation for over 30 years. So I've been in it for a little bit. I just have a good time at it. Some things have changed in the way of technology. Technology has really improved. The nice thing about here with Dalinghaus is they've stayed up with those changes. They've stayed up with technology. And so now I would say that we have the latest design in technology and equipment, repairs, procedures, the processes that we go through. It has changed over the years, and I think we're on the cutting edge of all of it. Okay, some of the most common issues that I encounter are obviously settling, which, cracks inside the house that bother people, and people might be sitting around watching some TV and they hear some popping and cracking sounds and things like that that really scare people, and they think the house is falling down, so they end up giving us a call. But we see a lot of the settling issues, stem wall issues in Arizona. You might have cracking in the stem wall. We see, basically damages to where people see them on the outside or the inside that prompts you to give us a call, and which is probably why you're doing research and watching this video too. It's a lot of fun, honestly, to go visit with a customer, find out what the issue is, and figure out what's causing the issue. We can repair nearly anything, but we want to stop the problem. So whatever the problem is, it's fun to figure that out. It's fun to stop the problem and help people where they now feel comfortable in their home, because it's scary when things like that happen. It's scary for you to take a look at the cracks in your house and just try to figure out what in the world are we going to do, what's going on. So it's a lot of fun for us to put people's mind at ease, to let everybody know that, hey, it's repairable, we can take care of it. And so it's a lot of fun to help people, and then you feel really satisfied once you do that. I really like putting people's mind at ease that, hey, don't worry, if there is a problem, we can fix it. And not everybody has a problem. It might be something very simple that we don't even recommend repairs. So it's fun to do. When I have time, I love sports. So I do love to play golf. My son's at a golf tournament now in Texas playing. So I love to play golf. I love basketball. I love the Phoenix Suns. Sorry, I'm a big Suns lover. So anything to do outdoors other than basketball, something like that, I just love sports. And I love my family. We have a lot of fun doing stuff together like that. But we at Dalinghaus Foundation, we never settle, so you don't ever want to settle, but we really, really do appreciate you taking the time, giving us a call, and just letting us come and visit with you. We don't ever charge to do that. Other companies do. We don't, because we just simply want to be of service and help.